In today's video, I'm going to teach you setting up appointments with Wix Bookings 2025. By the end, you'll have a clean, professional booking flow that clients can use without confusion, and you'll stay in control of your time. Start by opening the Wix editor and heading to the app market on the left. Search for Wix Bookings, then click Add to Site. Give it a moment to sync with your backend. This ensures your dashboard and editor stay aligned so updates appear accurately across your site. Next, go to your Wix dashboard and open Booking Services. Click Add a new service, then choose the format that matches what you offer. Appointment is ideal for private one-on-one sessions. Class works best for recurring group activities like fitness or workshops. Course is great if you run a series of connected sessions. And custom lets you build a structure that doesn't fit the usual patterns. Pick the one that reflects how clients should experience your service. Now fill in the service basics. Write a clear, engaging title and description that focus on the outcome clients will get. Set your timeframes, including the session length and a buffer, so you have breathing room between bookings. Buffers help you wrap up, reset, or prepare for the next client without running late. For fees, choose your pricing and how you'll accept payment. Full payment, deposits, or in person. If you're just starting out, deposits can reduce no-shows while keeping checkout friction low. Consider add-ons for extras like extended time or premium features, so clients can upgrade right from the booking flow. Assign where and by whom the service is delivered. Choose a meeting spot, a physical address, an online link, such as Zoom, or a mobile service at the client's location. Then assign the team members who can provide this service. This keeps calendars synced and avoids double booking across staff. Set your booking rules to protect your schedule. Define lead times so clients can't book at the last minute, and add a clear cancellation policy to set expectations. Upload high-resolution photos that reflect your brand and the service environment. Strong visuals increase trust and conversions. Before you go live, review every detail for accuracy: titles, durations, pricing, staff, and policies. Click Save to store the service, then make sure the booking section is in your site's navigation so visitors can find it easily. When everything looks good, click Publish and your booking system is ready to use. That's it. You've set up a streamlined appointment system